Hello everyone. It is our pleasure to welcome you to Communica. This video will help you get a better understanding of how our platform works. Communica is a platform that empowers you to digitally enhance and reinforce your child's therapy and provides the benefits of home-based therapy. This improves the quality of life for children during their formative years of growth and development. Let's get started. Joining in as a new member, you can click on sign up and easily create an account with an email of your choice. Or you can simply sign up with a Google account that you have. Now you are ready to log in and use the platform. Now, let us help you get a glance into the various features developed. We have the scheduler, the member and children pages, the activities page, and the analytics. All these features focus on helping you have a more organized and digitized way of conducting therapy and to also share, document, and view the progress of each child. The scheduler. From here, you can set up appointments with parents or specialists. By choosing the Create button, you can fill in the details regarding the name, title of appointment, a description regarding the call, the desired date and time, and the participants involved. You can either make it an inbuilt video call from the platform or use another video call platform such as Google Meet. Click on the Create button to save and view the appointment details. Once you have created the appointment, by pressing on the date on the calendar, you can view the entire appointment details, edit or delete if required. You can also share the details with others easily. Let's look at the members page. Clicking on the members portal, it will show you all the members that the therapy center has added. You can also view the role, the number of children they have been assigned, and the date of joining. You can easily invite the members or the therapist by pressing on the invite button while a pop-up arises. You can then invite them by adding the member's email ID or phone number and also select the role that they hold from the drop-down below. The Invite tab shows you all the members that have been invited to join the portal. You can also easily assign a child by simply clicking on the Assign Child tab. Coming to the children's page, you can get the view of all the children that the therapy centers work with. Now, to create or add a child's profile, you can do so by clicking on Add Child tab. Once the pop-up appears, you can fill in the basic information of the child. You can add the parent by sending an email invite or phone number, fill in the child's name, date of birth, gender, and different types of therapy the child focuses on. Once you fill in these details, you can click on Create and Send Invite. Once the invite is accepted, you can view the child's profile and also the various details. By clicking on the specific child's name, you can view the profile of the child, which shows you the details of the particular child's name, age, therapy, the therapist that is assigned to them, and any other such information. Here you can also add or attach important files about the child's diagnosis, their medical history, any medication being used, or other relevant information can all be stored and viewed in the profile of the child. The Activities tab in the child's profile will show you the various activities that are assigned to the child. By clicking on the desired activity, you can view the various details regarding the same and also track the progress and development of the particular activity. You can also post comments and feedbacks as and when required to accelerate the progress and guide parents in the right way. Coming to the Home Tasks tab, this will allow you to create easily executable activities that parents can conduct at the comfort of their home. You can simply click on New Home Task and fill in the title, description, and add any attachments if required, and save this data for the parents to view and execute at home. The Journal tab allows you to view the calendar, where you can click on the particular date and view the entire journal history filled by the parent for that day. By scrolling up and down here, you can view the data recorded in various fields. The next is the IEP tab, which shows the individualized education plan of each of the children that the therapy center has created. You can do so by clicking on Create LT Goal, where a long-term goal can be created by giving it a name, due date, and the status of the goal. Once created, you can also view the long-term goal in this way, which will help you keep a track of the progress made. You can easily view the data and edit it by pressing on the option given. By editing, the tasks, subtasks, or short-term goals can be added and tracked. With the help of the search engine, you can also type in the name of the goal and check the progress easily. Let's view the activities page. Here you will find the various activities that are created and shared by you. You can create activities by clicking on the Add Activity tab. Here the template pops up where you can fill up the details of each activity, like the title, a small description about the activity, step-by-step instruction, a checklist for parents to fill, tips and suggestions if you have any, and also the duration, age, and props required. You can also add images, videos, and links about this activity so that it will help the parents to get a better understanding on how to conduct them. In the library, you can view all the activities that have been created and saved. The Explore page shows you all the activities that are created by Kidora or any organization if they wish to make it public. Any activities created by you can be also made public if you wish. You will be able to use all of these activities in the Explore page and share it with parents. Coming to the Analytics page. Analytics has 3 sections. The first is the overview, which will show you the entire working of your organization. It shows the total number of therapists or members using the platform, the total number of children assigned, the invites sent, and also the average session time the members have taken up and the children have attended. We also show the analytics of various activities. It shows the different kinds of therapies taken up, the various skills targeted, and the age groups being dealt with. You can also view the graphical representation of the total sessions taken by the center and the average duration of each of these sessions. The next one shows you the graph of checklists that the parents have filled while conducting the activities. This will help in tracking the progress of the activities being assigned to the child. This graph represents how often the parents have filled the journal and documented the important events in the child's day. The last one here shows details about the various activities that are created and assigned. It shows the number of times the activity has been used or visited by, and also by clicking on the action arrow, you can view the entire details about the particular activity. The members analytics page will give you the data on the different members and therapists using the platform. It also gives you details of the name of the therapist, the role that they play, the number of children they've been assigned to, activities created, activities assigned, and the number of sessions conducted by each of these members. By clicking on the export button, you can easily download this data and keep it as reference and track the center's working ability. The Children's Analytics page will provide the data of all the children using this platform. It shows all the details about each of the child, the age, the members assigned to the child, the activities assigned, number of times the journal is filled, and also the home tasks that are assigned to the child.